Hold on. Gotta get this thing. Alright, we're down here, narrow passage, walking along, going across this low water bridge, and there's the Shenandoah River. Looking for ducks. Looking for ducks, but I don't see no ducks. There's ice a little bit. Anyway, there's the river. It's looking good because it's cold. That's just a bunch of debris from the flood. Look at that. And we're going to walk on up here a little bit. Big old sycamore tree. Yeah, dang. You good? Snow. It's the end of January, coming on the last week of January. Oh yeah. There's squirrels on the power line. You good?
Yeah. I'm looking at nature.
And they got posted signs, but we're on the road just walking. We'll see what's up here. There's a swinging bridge up here. When the river floods the bridge, the low water bridge, then this swinging bridge is how the people get to the other side of the river. So we had to park a ways. Back there because you can't park up here, which I probably could have, but then these big old sycamore trees. We can go on up here. Oh, I see ducks. Now, out there in the river, get up here and I see ducks. All right, we're going up here to the swinging bridge. Gotta watch the dang water and mud. This is a swinging bridge. You can see my shadow. And there's the other end of it, and it goes across the river. It bounces, man. Oh, I got snow on the other end of it. Probably go out here about halfway. Where did ducks go? That's the Shenandoah River. Man, look at that. Then we got a little snow up here on the bridge. I don't know if I'm going all the way. I'm kind of holding on anyway. Kind of bounces. I don't think it'll fall. Where them daggone ducks went. But anyway, look at that. There's Dale way back there. I don't know where them ducks went. I know I see ducks. Look over here. Ice on the river. I'm not going all that way on that far. I don't want to. But y'all seen it. So now we'll go back. Wind is blowing. Yeah, I got this big thick cable. And there's where we came from, that low water bridge.